Losing weight quickly and effectively is a common goal, but it's important to approach it with the right strategies. Crash diets and extreme exercise routines may offer short-term results, but they often lead to burnout and health problems. Instead, adopting sustainable lifestyle changes can help you shed those extra fat more efficiently and safely. Also, there's a lot of bad weight loss information on the internet. Much of what's recommended is questionable at best, and not based on any actual science. So, in this video we bring you 19 scientifically backed strategies that will aid in weight loss faster. Number 1. Add protein to your diet. When it comes to weight loss, protein is the king of nutrients. Your body burns calories when digesting and metabolizing the protein you eat, so a high-protein diet can boost metabolism by up to 80 to 100 calories per day. A high-protein diet can also make you feel more full and reduce your appetite. In fact, some studies show that people eat over 400 fewer calories per day on a high-protein diet. Even something as simple as eating a high-protein breakfast like eggs can have a powerful effect. Number 2. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a popular eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. It doesn't dictate what foods to eat, but rather when to eat them, which makes it more of a lifestyle choice than a traditional diet. There are several approaches to intermittent fasting, including the 5x2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days and significantly reduce calories for 2 non-consecutive days, the 16x8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, and the Eat-Stop-Eat method, which involves fasting for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. By naturally reducing the amount of time you spend eating, these methods often lead to an overall reduction in calorie intake without the need to consciously count calories during eating periods. Number 3. Drink unsweetened coffee. Coffee is loaded with antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Coffee drinking may support weight loss by increasing energy levels and the amount of calories you burn. Caffeinated coffee may boost your metabolism by 3 to 11% and reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes by a whopping 23 to 50%. Furthermore, black coffee is very weight loss friendly, since it can make you feel full but contains almost no calories. Number 4. Drink water. There's actually truth to the claim that drinking water can help with weight loss. Drinking half liters of water may increase the calories you burn by 24 to 30% for an hour afterward. Drinking water before meals may also lead to reduced calorie intake, especially for middle-aged and older people. Water is particularly helpful for weight loss when it replaces other beverages that are high in calories and sugar. Number 5. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are extremely nutritious. Weight loss-friendly foods, in addition to being high in water, nutrients, and fiber, they usually have very low energy density. This makes it possible to eat large servings without consuming excess calories. Numerous studies have shown that people who eat more fruits and vegetables tend to weigh less. Number 6. Try a low-carb diet. Many studies have shown that low-carb diets are effective for weight loss. Limiting carbs and eating more fat and protein reduces your appetite and helps you eat fewer calories. This can result in weight loss that is up to 3 times greater than that from a standard low-fat diet. Low-carb diet can also improve many risk factors for disease. Number 7. Eat more slowly. If you eat too fast, you may eat more calories than your body needs before your body even realizes that you're full. Fast eaters are much more likely to develop obesity compared to those who eat more slowly. Chewing more slowly may help you eat fewer calories and increase the production of hormones that are linked to weight loss. Number 8. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is incredibly important for weight loss, as well as to prevent future weight gain. Studies have shown that sleep-deprived people are up to 55% more likely to develop obesity compared to those who get enough sleep. This number is even higher for children. This is partly because sleep deprivation disrupts the daily fluctuations in appetite hormones, leading to poor appetite regulation. Number 9. Eat more fiber. Fiber-rich foods may help with weight loss. Foods that contain water-soluble fiber may be especially helpful, since this type of fiber can help increase the feeling of fullness. Fiber may delay stomach emptying, make the stomach expand, and promote the release of satiety hormones. This can help you eat less without having to think about it. Any types of fiber can feed the friendly gut bacteria. Healthy gut bacteria have been linked with a reduced risk of obesity. Just make sure to increase your fiber intake gradually to avoid abdominal discomfort, such as bloating, cramps, and diarrhea. Number 10. Limit your intake of added sugar. Eating a lot of added sugar is linked with some of the world's leading diseases, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes. On average, Americans eat about 15 teaspoons of added sugar each day. This amount is usually hidden in various processed foods, so you may be consuming a lot of sugar without even realizing it. Since sugar goes by many names and ingredient lists, it can be very difficult to figure out how much sugar a product actually contains. Minimizing your intake of added sugar is a great way to improve your diet. Number 11. Add resistance exercises. Loss of muscle mass is a common side effect of dieting. If you lose a lot of muscle, your body will start burning fewer calories than before. Resistance exercises, like lifting weights, can help prevent this loss in muscle mass. Number 12. Consistently active throughout the day. While formal exercise sessions are important, staying active throughout the day can significantly boost our calorie burn. This concept, known as non-exercise activity thermogenesis, and it includes all the physical activities we do outside of exercise, such as walking, standing, and even fidgeting. Number 13. Brush your teeth after meals. Many people brush or floss their teeth or use mouthwash after eating. Dental hygiene products can temporarily affect the taste of food and beverages, which may help limit the desire to snack or eat between meals. Number 14. Mindful eating. Mindful eating encourages individuals to pay close attention to how and where they eat, helping them fully enjoy their food and potentially supporting weight loss. Many people lead busy lives, often eating quickly or while distracted, which can lead to mindless consumption. To practice mindful eating, one should sit down at a table, avoid distractions like TVs or phones, and eat slowly, allowing the brain time to register fullness and prevent overeating. Additionally, mindful eaters make thoughtful food choices, selecting nourishing, satisfying foods that promote long-term satiety. Number 15. Balancing gut bacteria. The human gut contains around 39 trillion bacteria, and each person has a unique composition. Some types of bacteria can increase the energy extracted from food, contributing to fat storage and weight gain. Certain foods help promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, such as a variety of plants rich in fiber from fruits, vegetables, and grains, which should make up 75% of meals. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and yogurt provide probiotics, with some studies suggesting anti-obesity effects. Additionally, prebiotic foods such as chicory root, garlic, asparagus, and oats stimulate the growth of bacteria that aid in weight control. Number 16. Managing stress levels. Stress triggers the release of hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which initially suppress appetite as part of the body's fight or flight response. However, prolonged stress keeps cortisol levels elevated, leading to increased appetite and a craving for carbohydrates, the body's preferred fuel. Insulin helps transport sugar from carbohydrates into muscles and the brain, but if not used for energy, the body stores it as fat. Implementing stress management programs, alongside a low-calorie diet, has been shown to significantly reduce BMI in overweight and obese children and adolescents. Number 17. Limit portion sizes. Limiting portion sizes is a key strategy for managing weight and preventing overeating. Many people unintentionally consume more calories than they need by eating large portions, especially in settings where food is readily available. By being mindful of portion sizes, individuals can control their calorie intake without feeling deprived. Simple practices, such as using smaller plates, measuring portions, and being aware of recommended serving sizes, can help reduce the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, eating slowly and paying attention to hunger cues allows the body to signal when it's full, helping to prevent consuming excess calories. Remember, weight loss is all about making sustainable changes that fits your lifestyle. These methods are simple, doable, and they work. Try a few out and see what works for you, and keep it simple. If you find this tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more real tips you can actually use. Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next video.